yoga types. These types originate from the placement of Rahu and Ketu in different houses. Some of the well-known types of this yoga are Anand, Vasuki, Sheshnag, Kulik, etc. All these names are derived from the names of famous legendary snakes. It is widely believed that affected person suffers a lot due to this and is not able to get the benefits related to those houses which are affected by this yoga. It is also believed that position of sun and moon makes this their own effect in making this yoga more troublesome. If sun or moon are placed with Rahu or Ketu in the same house, then it becomes Grahan Kalsar yoga, which is considered 1,000 times more powerful and may sometimes bring the afflicted person onto his knees, and person may have some very bad times during his lifespan. Our lifestyle these days is already cause of lot of worries and stress, and if someone comes to know that he also has Kalsar yoga in his horoscope, then it adds more to the insecurity and decrease in the confidence level, as generally happens with weak people. Some so-called astrologers exploit it more by suggesting fake solution to earn money. Some of the popular remedies suggested commonly are worshipping pair of cobras made in silver, Anushtan of Mahamrityunjay Jap. Sometimes it is also recommended that worshipping in certain specific temples will remove the evil effects of this yoga. But my study on the subject finds that associating the name of legendary snakes with Kalsar yoga is illogical and of no astrological significance. And these fake solutions undertaken by worshipping snakes in number of ways is hardly of any help. Considering it from positive side, during my research on the topic, I found that a number of famous and successful personalities had Kalsar yoga in their horoscopes. These persons were very successful in their times and many people want to copy them. They are the ideals for general public. To name a few, our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, famous social worker Mother Teresa, renowned writer Amrita Pritam, and last but not the least, our own Sachin Tendulkar had Kalsar yoga in their horoscopes. Another interesting case of study of Kalsar yoga is of our own country, India, which got its independence on the midnight of 14th and 15th of August and is considered as the new birth for the nation. The planet position on the midnight of 14th and 15th of August was similar as that of Kalsar yoga. After independence in 1947, our country suffered from poverty, economic problems, enemy attacks and social problems. But slowly and slowly, India started becoming stronger, and it is said that India has arrived and the future belongs to this country. This fact can also be gauged from the life of Jawaharlal Nehru, who did a lot of hard work before leading the nation for 17 years and is respected till date. Now take the case of Nelson Mandela. This famous political personality spent about 27 years of his young age in the prison, but later he became the first black president of South Africa and changed the whole political scene of that country, which was famous for its racial discrimination. Nelson Mandela was also conferred with Nobel Peace Award, and even today, after quitting politics, he is known fatherly figure and respected worldwide. Considering it other way, the Kalsar yoga can also be called as blessing in disguise, because due to its effect, person concerned suffers a lot and struggles during its initial period, but very successful later on. For this, perhaps the reason is that during struggle time, the person concerned works so hard that it becomes his habit, and that habit starts giving good results later on, and the person gets the benefits and reputation of hard work. I also found that the main effects of this yoga over by the age of 47, and life becomes normal thereafter. It has been observed that if the horoscope contains any Raj Yoga, then the evil effects of this yoga decreases to a greater extent. This subject matter requires sincere astrological research before reaching on a conclusion of its effect on life and remedies for death. Thank you.